Okay, I have absolutely no clue what to do right now. Oh, I know what we can do. What? Let's do the laundry. Oh, great laundry. Hey, watch my lid! You. Girl, don't be stirring this mess today. Oh, I'm sorry. Good lord, girl. Yeah. Really? Is that how you load my tub? Is that how you load the laundry? I do this all the time with the white load. Girl, I hope you're not on something today. I ain't. Okay, now let's close the lid and get started. Wait a minute, girl! You gotta put detergent in! And you gotta balance the load out. Oh, right. Okay, now the load is balanced. Now let's get started. Now, wait a minute, girl! You gotta put detergent in! Whoops! Okay, the detergent is in now. Good, now we can get started. What cycle should I pick? Heck, I don't know. How about power wash? Let's do heavy duty. No, let's do normal. No, I want to do power wash or heavy duty or normal. Come on now, pick a cycle. We ain't got time to BS. Let's do power wash. Let's select all the options. Girl, no, you can't do that. Why not? First of all, you didn't put in any fabric softener, so obviously we're turning that off. And we don't need extra rinse. Let's put the water on hot. No, leave it on cold. Let's put it on fast. No, then I'll explode. I ain't gonna talk about that. Ooh, let's turn this on. No, I don't want the cycle signal on. Turn it off. Let's do spray rinse. No, you don't even trust me with shower rinses. Okay, then let's get started. Good lordy, girl. Jeez, do you even know how to do laundry no more? What are you talking about? Of course I know about laundry. Go get my speaker, please. Yes, ma'am, I'll go get it. Here you go. Melissa, I'm a little bit hyper right now. Of course you are. Oh my gosh. Get on my damn nerves. Alright, let's see what's playing. No. That's not supposed to be up that loud. Man, what's wrong with it? Good lord. What's the matter? Why is that up so loud? I don't know. Plus, I told you to turn the volume all the way down before turning the speaker off. Well, my bad. Beat the volume down, like that. Okay. Go on somewhere, little girl, before I turn you out. Okay. Fine. Oh, and one more thing. What? Boop! Got your nails. What, you idiots! God dang you! Get out of here! Whoa, no! I swear. Something's on her. I guess she drinking. I don't know what the heck is up with her today.